Good morning, class 2. Welcome to English literature class. Open your WPS book to page 27. Today, we shall learn to spell the words with correct pronunciation. At first, with the sound and then with the letters. Children, please follow carefully. To pronounce it correctly, we need to break it into syllables, that is, into parts. Now look at the first word. The first word is slow. Slow means when the speed is less. Now, how to spell with the sound? First is the sound of slur, and S and L together gives you the sound slur, and OW gives you the sound of O. Slur, O. Slow, slur, O. Slow, or SLOW. Slow, SLOW. Slow. Look at the next word. It is also same as the previous one, only you need to add LY with it. Now let's spell with the sound. Slur, O, and LY gives you the sound of Lee. Slur, O, Lee. Slowly, with the letters SLOWLY. 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 Next is wisely, with the sound WA-S-LY. WA-S-LY. Wisely. 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 It means when something is done with the full knowledge. When you know about something and you are doing it, that is called wisely. Look at the next spelling. It is cross. Cross means when two lines cut each other. Like in question answer, you have seen a tick and cross. When you get something correct, you get a tick mark. And when it is wrong, you get a cross. Now what is the first sound you are getting? Cr. And CR together gives you the sound of cr. And os, O-double-S. Os. Cr, os. Cross. Cr, os. Cross. Or CRO-double-S. Cross. CRO-double-S. Cross. Look at the next spelling. It is also the same as the previous one, cross, only you are adding LY with it. So crossly. 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 Crossly, or CROSSLY. 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 It means angrily. Look at the next spelling. Now the word is neatly. This is a very common word. We teachers always instruct you to do your work neatly. Now how to spell the word neatly? With the sound. Now N sounds N. So N, EAT is eat. LY is Lee. N, eat, lee. N, eat, lee. Neatly, or NEATLY. 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 Look at the next column. The word is soft. You know, pillows are soft. Your cheeks are soft. Sponge is soft. Now what is the spelling of soft with the sound? First sound is S. So we are writing here S. S and OFT gives you the sound of oft. Oft, soft, oft, soft, or SOFT, 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 soft. Next one, same as you spell soft, only adding ly at the end. So let's spell with the sound. Softly, softly, softly. Or with the letters we can say SOFTLY, 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 softly. Next is rarely. Rarely means that is not regular. You can see or do the work sometimes. You do it rarely, not regularly. Now with the sound. R-A-R-E, rare, and L-Y is ly, rarely. R-A-R-E, rare, L-Y is ly, rarely. Or R-A-R-E-L-Y, rarely, R-A-R-E-L-Y, rarely. Look at the last column. The word is cleverly. Now cleverly, first sound is cl, and CL together gives you the sound of cl. EVER is ever, clever, LY is ly, cleverly, cleverly, cleverly. Or CLEVERLY, 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 cleverly. Next is bravely. When you are not afraid of anything, you are very brave that time, and you do your work bravely. Sound of bravely, at first see the sound, listen to the sound is br. B and R together gives you the sound br. And AVE, ave, LY, ly, br, ave, ly, bravely, br, ave, ly, bravely. Or BRAVELY, 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 bravely. And the last word is quickly. This is also very common instruction given to you by your teachers. Quickly, make it fast, isn't it? Now let's break it into syllables again. At first with sound and then with the letters. QU, ICK, ick, LY, ly, quickly. QU, ICK, ick, LY, ly, quickly. Or QUICKLY, 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 quickly. Children, here we come to the end of our lesson today. So your task is to memorize the spellings, learn it as it's being shown. I'm sure you can definitely memorize it well. So thank you. Have a good day.